French dip sandwiches are wonderful to eat, but I haven't been able to find any low sodium au jus at my store or on my internet search. McCormick sells a package that's about this size. It's got 3,402 milligrams of sodium for 3 cups. Holy cow. That is just way too much to even think about. We can make some that has 33 milligrams of sodium for 4 cups. I'm using my bottled water that has no sodium. If I used my tap water, I would be adding 140 milligrams of sodium that I don't want to add. So we mix up 4 cups of bottled water, 8 packages of Herb Ox sodium-free beef bouillon. My grocery store or Walmart has this. And Kitchen Bouquet. 3 teaspoons has 30 milligrams. Buy this at your grocery store where you have ketchups and such. Mix those 3 items together. Got some leftover roast beef thinly sliced. Or get a London broil, good size one, and have your butcher cut it in inch strips. Brown it on your stove. Put it in your crock pot with your au jus. Let it simmer all day. Shred it. And you've got some really good French dip. And it freezes so good. I have a package. It says French dip 1. This will do 1 sandwich for my husband for lunch. Pepperidge Farm has a hoagie bun, and I think it's 220 milligrams each. You can use hamburger buns, pita bread, cut in half, put a lot of stuff in there, dip it in that au jus. Quite good. I like to make this when we have a lot of people coming, big family. We've had wedding receptions at our house, or just when we're going to have company, or when I just need something in my freezer. But when I make it when people are here, somebody always asks me, what kind of au jus do you use? I thought you had to eat low sodium. They don't know. It doesn't have much sodium at all. In the description for this video is a discounted link. If you click on that, it will take you directly to my low sodium cooking for 1 to 20 people, where you can purchase the whole course for $9.99. Well, a lot of things that we cook, it doesn't take much more time to make a bunch, or a little bit. My theory is, if it freezes, make a bunch. I usually have a number of meals frozen for us that come from the low sodium cooking for 1 to 20 people. I'm going to have to get busy. This beef stroganoff, the sloppy joes, oh, they just freeze so good. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell, and you'll get a little ding every time I post a new video. They'll be coming your way. Either a low sodium tip to help you lower that sodium, or a low sodium recipe every week.